Hey everybody, today is Friday, May 22nd, 2020. Hope your day's off to a great start. Today's message is give to be happy. Sometimes you got to sacrifice something you want to do or something that you are hoping to accomplish to help someone else get their happiness. And that also in turn can help you be happy as well. Okay, so sometimes you got to give, whether that is maybe someone gets your Reese cup, even though you really wanted it. You see that they're having a rough day, you go give them a hug or just give them some of your time. Maybe you're playing a video game or doing something you want to do, but you see someone else needs a little a hug, a little time to talk and hang out, then give your time. Okay, sometimes you got to give to be happy too. Okay, weird but true too. The air trapped inside an iceberg can be thousands of years old. You have to climb a 293-step spiral staircase to reach the top of the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Chickens see daylight 45 minutes before humans do. A giant squid's eyeball can be as big as a human head. There's a 1 in a trillion chance that a piece of space junk will land on your house today. So first extra credit question is going to be the one about the chicken up here. Let's say in 3 days, how much time would they see altogether? Would one chicken see daylight before us in 3 days? So add 45 minutes 3 times. And I'd really like it if you could make it minutes and hours. See if you can do that. Okay, remember how many minutes is in an hour. Okay, once you get to that point, you subtract that from your total, and that would be your hour, or maybe hours if you're thinking more than one, and then you have what minutes are left. Okay, as far as what we're working on, still the dragon projects. Some really nice dragons have come through. Thank you for sending pictures of those. I love sharing those. They always look cool. Today might not be such a great day to fly outside, and if you're not allowed to fly inside, then just wait. I think tomorrow's supposed to be a beautiful day, so go ahead and wait for tomorrow to fly one if you have not flown it yet, and if you're not allowed to fly it inside because you don't want to wreck anything in the house either. Okay, so again, it's just a clothespin or something like it. I've seen people use a chip clip and other fun things like that. You can make the wings, the pattern on your paper, make your landing/launch pad. Some really cool ones of those too. I think I saw Reese's was really well designed and it was colorful and looked really good, her landing and launch pad. Okay, so keep that up. It was nice to see you guys yesterday, by the way, as well. Those of you who came for pickup and I got to see you. If I missed you, I'm terribly sorry. I do miss seeing you guys, and if you were there and I got to talk to you and see you, that's even better. Thank you so much. All right, so perimeter is all the way around. You would add to see the total outside. Area is length times width. So if for your launch pad was 3 inches by 5, it'd be 15 square inches on the inside. Although I do want to say something about perimeter. We had a situation on a test or a practice test, I believe, during the school year where it was somebody was building a deck and they want to know how much railing, except they said 3 sides. And we talked about, well, why? Why is it like that? Well, what if one of these sides, like this side right here, was right against the house? The deck was right off the house, right? So you wouldn't need fence to put right against your house. So that's like the real life idea there. You know, sometimes you don't need for the whole square, the whole rectangle, whole area. Sometimes you only need parts of it. Okay, especially what if you had one. Ooh, there you go. What if you had one side that was sorry about that, everybody. What if you have one side that you said, hey, I want a staircase coming off of there? So you wouldn't need fencing for that part either. Depending on how long that is, you would subtract it, right, for your total for the perimeter. So those are some real life things you got to think about. That's why we're doing area and perimeter, because people got to build things. You got to design things. You have things in mind you want to do and make and create. There you go. That's your real life connection to math there. All right. So again, give to be happy. Because usually actually, that makes you happy and makes you feel good too inside. It was nice seeing those of you who came yesterday for pickup. If you have not turned in anything, or if you're missing anything, please try to turn that in if possible this week, next week at the latest.
I believe on our document it says June 1st, but my gradebook says May 29th is the last day I can enter grades. So if there's a BrainPop quiz you need a link to, let me know. Assignment reminders, let me know. Fluency checks and quick quizzes are online on the distance learning document. And the BrainPop videos are online as well. Free account, you can definitely use sign up if you have not done so. I can get you the link for that as well. Okay, have a great weekend. Enjoy Memorial Day if you can. Get together with folks safely, and you're going to do that. Enjoy it. Be careful, and I'll see you on Tuesday.